Okay, I received the Eachine 150 yesterday. I read the manual, charged up the batteries, took it out for its maiden. Everything seemed to be okay initially on spool up. Main motor rotated, rudder motor rotated, but just at the point of liftoff, the rudder motor stopped and the helicopter then went into a spin because it had no steering control. Checked everything, physically everything seems to be fine, but there was a smell of some type of electronic malfunction. I'm guessing perhaps the circuit board might have got overloaded. I don't know. All I know now is that I have not succeeded in getting this helicopter flying, and having spent €250 on this, it's pretty disappointing. I hope there might be a quick fix. Here's a demonstration. Bare motor spools, then it stops. And that just continues. So you can see the helicopter is in perfect condition. There's no sign of damage anywhere. So the problem must be an electronic problem. Great shame, because I paid €250 for this and it won't even fly. Hopefully there's an easy fix.